How to insert square in Google Docs. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, first add the number or text you want at the bottom. After you've added the text, you will find CTRL and full stop button in your keyboard. Simply press it together, which is CTRL and full stop. Then cursor will shift upwards. You can add your square and you're good to go. Press on enter and cursor will go back to normal. And this is how to insert square in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you.